due to the wind shear. In other words, as you head higher and higher into the atmosphere, you get stronger winds, and these northeasterly winds are ripping apart the thunder showers as they try to develop across areas of South Florida over toward the Gulf of Mexico. So that's why that system isn't developing right now. It's in an unfavorable environment with these two strong winds. Different story though farther east. First of all, let me show you our satellite or our radar picture back over toward Key West. We did have some heavier showers and storms, so there's still some heavy showers, occasional thunderstorms with that first system. Heading farther to the east, we're looking at this system right here. I just talked to the Hurricane Center. I was talking to forecaster Jack Bevan, and he was looking at this system here too, and right now the winds aren't quite up to criteria for tropical depression strength, but the Air Force reconnaissance aircraft is still out there and they're still investigating, and we'll see what happens over the next hour or so of any additional reports. There certainly is a low pressure center that the aircraft has found. I think you can see the spin right here. There's some fairly decent southwesterly winds. There is a circulation here, but the winds aren't quite strong enough for tropical depression strength at this point. Again, that could change a little bit later. Closer in, closer view here. Here's the Abacos here, in other words, the northeast Bahamas. You can see circulation center somewhere in this area here. And for a tropical system to develop, you need these heavy showers clustered close to that core of the showers and storms around the core of the circulation center. Right now, the heaviest showers are still a good ways away. So we're watching this area with an interest. This whole system should be drifting up toward the Carolinas over the weekend, enhancing chances of rain. Back toward the islands, Puerto Rico, fine shape today, and the leewards also in some fine shape. Farther south, the windwards down toward Grenada and down to the coast of South America, some stormy weather. 1 or 2 thunderstorms building up on the northwest coast of Puerto Rico. Those thunderstorms typical of what you find this time of year. Look at the rest of the Atlantic, though. It's about as quiet as it gets this time of year. We do have one tropical wave coming off the coast of Africa. This one's a little bit stronger than we've seen in a while. That one may have a little bit of a circulation, but plenty of time to keep our eyes on that one. Over to the Pacific. Here's Tropical Storm Darby, downgraded, getting weaker, moving a long ways from Mexico. Satellite photographs showing Darby right here. If you look closely, you can see the little spin right here, and it looks like it's coming from underneath these heavier showers. So that's just reinforcing what we believe is that this system's getting weaker. This little system here was a tropical depression. That was dropped. There's still a few heavy showers trying to hang with that one. Over the coast of Mexico, pretty good shape. And heading over to what we call the West Pac or Western Pacific, been following this system here, typhoon at one point. You can see it's weakening, still the center of circulation right here as it's heading into Japan. I would say the main threat would probably be some rain if you get that prolonged area of rain coming down over southern Japan. Let's head back to the States and take you up toward Pennsylvania, New York State. Here's our Sky Tracker Doppler radar. We do have some showers and storms developing right around New York City. Some thunderstorms, some heavy downpours. At this point, there's nothing severe. Notice some of these red colors here starting to fade away, so the storms are dying as they head back into Long Island right off the Jersey coast. So some showers and storms. Still some lightning bolts coming out, but nothing too terribly active. Different story, though, heading back over toward Cincinnati and back down to Louisville. Louisville right here. Here's Cincinnati. We do have some active showers and storms. Yellow counties are the counties that are currently under an active warning. We'll have more on severe weather, have more on your Friday forecast. That's next.